Hello, friends. Today I am going to present a very exclusive video Vision 2030. I will talk about the future, but not some far off distant future. I am talking about what is going to completely reshape our world by the year 2030. We are on the edge of a transformation so massive that honestly, many people won't even understand what hit them. And that is because this new era of AI is going to create a great divide, a separation that has nothing to do with money or location, but everything to do with one single factor, your relationship with artificial intelligence. So, this leads us to what might be the single most important question for our career and our future when this line is drawn in the sand. Which side you are going to be on. And believe me, this is not a choice for tomorrow. It is a choice you are making right now. It is really pretty simple. The world is splitting into two camps. On one side, you have the people who know how to command AI, the ones who will to build, to create, and to lead. And the other side, you will have everyone else, the people who are commanded by AI, just funneling instruction from the system they do not really get. So, to really understand what is at stake, you have to grasp the sheer scale of this shift. Let us divide into what we are calling the 2030 transformation. You know, this timeline puts everything into perfect perspective. The Industrial Revolution gave us machines that said, I will work with you. Then the Internet Revolution came along and said, I will give you all information you want. But this AI revolution, this is a whole different ball game. AI is saying something new. I can think like you, and this will change everything by 2030. Today, AI is not going to be some fancy tool you use once in a while. No, it is going to be your partner. A doctor will diagnose patients with an AI copilot. A teacher will build personalized lessons with an AI tutor. An entrepreneur will optimize their entire business using AI. Literally, no field will be left untouched. Which brings us right back to that personal choice we all have to make. This is
Hello, Debasis. What can I help you now?
Thank you, Name. I'm curious about the latest AI trends.
this is not just about technology. It is about your career, your future and your autonomy. And this code just nails it. The fear is not about replacement. Forget that. The real danger is becoming obsolete in a world where AI is the operating system for everything and we don't know how to speak the language. I again repeat, the real danger is becoming obsolete in a world where AI is the operating system for everything and we don't know how to speak the language. And let me perfectly clear about something. This has nothing to do with being a coder or a tech guru. That is the biggest mistake you could make. This is about a fundamental shift in your mindset. The people who get left behind won't be from a certain profession. They will be the ones who refuse change how they think. So how do you make sure you end up on the right side of this divide? You do it by building a future proof skill set. We are talking about the abilities that are going to define the leaders, the creators, and the innovators of the next decade. The first and maybe the most important skill is something called prompt engineering. Look, getting an AI something to do is easy, but getting it to do exactly what you envision with nuance and creativity is an art. We are moving way past simple text prompts here. We are talking about multimodal commands combining text, images, video clips, and even sounds all into one powerful instruction. This is a such great example of what I am talking about. Imagine giving a command like this. A maker is describing an entire creativity vision and the AI delivers a finished product. The visual, the music, everything. In the future, your words, they literally become your superpower. Our next use is AI automation. You start by identifying a repetitive task in your job, sorting emails, generating reports. Then you pick up the right AI tool and design a workflow, basically teaching it what to do. And once it is set, the AI handles it all automatically, freeing you to focus on the big picture stuff, high level strategy. You become the conductor of an orchestra of automated process. And these are not some far away tools from the future, they are here right now. I mean, platforms like ChatGPT and Midjourney are becoming household names. But the next level is already here with things like Runway, Amount, or Pika Labs that generate video from a single prompt for automation. Tools like Zapier and Make let you connect your apps without any code. The people who master this today are going to be absolutely indispensable tomorrow. And this slide just shows you how revolutionary this is for creative works. What used to take a whole team of 10 people, designers, writers, editors, can now be done by a single person with a laptop. This is not an improvement, that's a massive leap in productivity and creative freedom, and it goes way beyond just prompting and automation the future. Skill set is much bigger. You will need to understand AI driven business strategy using AI to find market gaps no human can ever spot. You will need to master generative design and video, not just making content but co creating with an AI partner. And you will need to know how to apply AI to specific industries like health, education, and finance, because that is where the deepest change will be happen. Every single one of these is a huge opportunity. Now let us take second and actually picture of this new world. Doctors will perform complex surgeries with the precision and real-time insights of an AI assistant, making procedures safer and effective than we could have ever imagined. Students will learn in personalized global classrooms. Their teacher is both human and AI, tailoring every single lesson to their individual needs, their pace, their learning style. And in business, entire advertisement campaigns. This future might seem a little distant, but it is being built right now as we speak. And that brings everything right back to you and the choice you have to make today. If you remember just one thing, from this whole explainer, let it be this AI is not coming for your job. It is coming for the job of those who refuse to adapt. And in this new world, training is the new currency. Your skill set is the new security. The people who are going to be leading this new world in 2030. The entrepreneurs, the creators, and the innovators are the ones who are starting to learn right now. They are not waiting around, they are building their own destiny. The future does not belong to those who wait, it belongs to those who prepare. Millions of people will be left behind by the shift. while millions of others create immense value and opportunity. The only difference is who decide to start learning. Now, ask you one last time. The future is being built today. Are you ready to build? Namaskar.